Welcome, dear viewers, to this special storytelling session. Today, we are diving into Paulo Coelho's timeless masterpiece, The Alchemist. This isn't just a story, it's a journey, a soul-searching quest that resonates with dreamers, seekers, and anyone standing at life's crossroads. In this video, you'll not only listen to the magical tale of a shepherd named Santiago, but you'll also discover how to follow your dreams despite obstacles. Learn how the universe helps you when you're committed. Understand deeper meanings of love, loss, purpose, and fulfillment. Whether you're a student, a traveler, an entrepreneur, or simply someone in search of inspiration, this journey will move your heart. Let's begin Santiago's unforgettable adventure. Santiago, a young Andalusian shepherd, lives a simple life. He travels with his sheep, enjoys the open fields, and loves reading. One recurring dream troubles him, a dream where a child tells him to seek treasure near the Egyptian pyramids. Confused, he visits a gypsy woman who tells him to follow the dream. Shortly after, Santiago meets an old man named Melchizedek who claims to be the king of Salem. This wise king introduces the idea of a personal legend, a person's destiny or life purpose. Santiago is intrigued. The king gives him magical stones, Urim and Thummim, to help read omens. Encouraged, Santiago sells his sheep and sets off toward Africa to find his treasure. Word treasure, vocabulary and phrasal verbs, first collection. Vocabulary. 1. Omen, a sign or warning of something to come. Santiago believed the butterflies were an omen. 2. Personal legend, one's destiny or true purpose in life. To realize one's personal legend is a person's only real obligation. Phrasal verbs. 1. Set off, to begin a journey. Santiago set off for Africa with hope in his heart. 2. Give up, to quit or stop trying. Even after being robbed, he didn't give up. Let's journey further with Santiago as fate throws its first real challenge his way. Arriving in Tangier, Santiago is quickly robbed. Lost and alone in a foreign land, he feels crushed. But soon, he finds work at a crystal shop. The owner is kind, but stuck in old ways. Santiago brings fresh ideas, displaying crystal in the window, offering tea in crystal glasses, and the shop's fortunes improve. Through this phase, Santiago learns about patience, perseverance, and the power of action. He saves enough money to continue his search for the treasure and realizes that every step, even setbacks, is part of the journey. Language ladder. Vocabulary and phrasal verbs. Vocabulary. 1. Perseverance. Continued effort to do something despite difficulty. It was Santiago's perseverance that helped the crystal shop flourish. 2. Destiny. The events that will necessarily happen to a person. He felt he was being guided by destiny. Phrasal verbs. 1. Figure out, to understand or solve something. He needed time to figure out his next step. 2. Look back, to think about the past. Santiago didn't want to look back with regret. Now, with his spirits renewed and lessons learned, Santiago sets off into the vast and mysterious desert. There, he joins a caravan crossing the Sahara, filled with people who each carry their own dreams and fears. During the journey, Santiago meets an Englishman who studies alchemy. The Englishman is in search of a 200-year-old alchemist who supposedly knows the secret of the Philosopher's Stone and the elixir of life. Santiago becomes fascinated by the concept of transformation, how base metals can become gold, just like ordinary lives can become extraordinary. As the desert expands before them, Santiago learns to listen to the language of the world, the way the wind whispers, the camels behave, and silence speaks. He starts understanding omens more deeply, realizing that the desert isn't just a physical space, it's symbolic of one's inner self, vast, mysterious, and filled with possibilities. Inside Express, vocabulary and phrasal verbs, third collection, vocabulary. 1. Alchemy. A medieval science aiming to transform metals into gold. Metaphorically, it means personal transformation. Alchemy became a symbol of self-discovery for Santiago. 2. Oasis, a fertile spot in the desert where water is found. They stopped at an oasis for rest and supplies. Phrasal verbs. 1. Open up, to become more honest or expressive. Santiago began to open up about his dreams. 2. Hold on, to persist or keep going. He had to hold on to hope through the harsh desert nights. The caravan finally reaches a grand oasis, lush with palms and life. And there, Santiago meets Fatima, a young desert woman with eyes like the wind. Their connection is instant and deep. Santiago feels he's found not just love, but home. Yet the alchemist tells him, true love never holds you back. Fatima, understanding his quest, encourages him to continue, promising she will wait. Love, Santiago realizes, is not about possession, but about freedom and growth. With the alchemist as his guide, Santiago learns even more profound lessons. The desert speaks. The soul of the world connects all things, and those who truly follow their hearts are never alone. In the next phase of this odyssey, Santiago must face danger, uncertainty, and himself. But the treasure, both literal and spiritual, draws nearer. Stay tuned as we approach the climax of this enchanting journey. Vocabulary Block 4 is coming up too. Climax Curve, Vocabulary and Phrasal Verbs 4th Collection. Vocabulary. 1. Intuition. The ability to understand something instinctively. Santiago's intuition told him danger was near. 2. Fulfillment. The achievement of something desired. The journey itself brought him deep fulfillment. Phrasal verbs. 1. Break through. To make a discovery or significant progress. He finally broke through his fears. 2. Come across. To find or meet by chance. Santiago came across a group of warring tribes. As they near the pyramids, Santiago and the alchemist are captured by a tribal army. To save themselves, the alchemist tells the soldiers that Santiago is a powerful sorcerer who can turn himself into the wind. Given 3 days to prove it, Santiago panics. On the 3rd day, Santiago looks inward. He listens to the desert, to the wind, to the soul of the world. With intense focus, he connects so deeply with nature that he seems to become part of it. Miraculously, the winds whip around him, and the tribesmen are awestruck. They release him. The alchemist parts ways with Santiago, gifting him gold and wisdom. Now alone, Santiago finally arrives at the pyramids. Digging excitedly, he is attacked by thieves. When he tells them of his dream, one mocks him and says he had a dream of treasure buried beneath a tree in Spain. Realization dawns. Santiago's treasure was back where he started, under the sycamore tree by the ruined church. He returns home, digs under the tree, and finds a chest full of gold, jewels, and ancient artifacts. But more than the riches, he's gained the true treasure: wisdom, love, and self-discovery. Final flourish, vocabulary and phrasal verbs, 5th collection. Vocabulary. 1. Enlightenment, full understanding or insight. Through his journey, Santiago reached enlightenment. 2. Cycle, a series of events that happen repeatedly. Life had come full circle for Santiago. Phrasal verbs. 1. Settle down, to establish a quiet, stable life. He was ready to settle down with Fatima. 2. Look ahead, to think about the future. With a heart full of peace, Santiago looked ahead. And there we have it, dear listeners. The magical, soul-touching journey of the alchemist has come to an end. Santiago's quest shows us that treasure lies not in distant lands but within ourselves, discovered only when we dare to dream and follow our hearts. So, what did you learn from Santiago's journey? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this story, give it a like and share it with fellow dreamers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more heart-touching tales like this one. Until next time, follow your dreams, trust the journey, and believe in the omens the universe shows you.